that. I'm the guy pointing out that Trump has put together a coalition of Republican parties. He's showing me pictures of when he was younger in the Dominican Republic in Santo Domingo.
Or injuries have been reported. And drones are having a growing number of close calls with aircraft and helicopters.
Biggest sales. I'm Larry Landis, the local owner of Renewable.
Rates soon. Chipotle shares dropping.
Sunday tomorrow back up to 56. Most
Of lower profit. Even then, the Chipotle has been trying to recover from a food.
National golf course in Jupiter earlier this month.
So she tried to ask Trump a question.
terrorist conversations. New York.
A suspect wanted for killing two people. The Boulevard, plenty of slowdowns up and down the Van Wyck Expressway and the BQE too. And here's what you need to know about the bridges and tunnels. Brooklyn Bridge slow to Brooklyn, Williamsburg Bridge.
The oil and copper are
Steroid shot to help me to breathe.
It's fantastic.